Chris. You got a 100?
Yes, these are made by Togo.
Oh great, you just made it not go at all. Not as fun as they looked. What? I don't even know why I bothered talking to
Did I really just do that?
It did it again. I wonder if that's Tokyo right there.
I'm Shinjuku next to it.
Shinjuku next to it. This is the same one we took here.
There's many.
Number 13 is in front of us. And we almost got into 13, but we didn't. We got into 6. It must be fate.
We just got off of that train. We stepped off this train. Hold up. And now we're on our connecting train. Can you tell me?
Less than 10 seconds.
That's
Lag
our
time?
1 minute layover.
A 1 minute layover?
1 minute, exactly. Finally got to ride Bandit. That was excellent. That's amazing.
Good drink. Good drink.
Pineapple soda.
Good drink. Pineapple soda?
Pineapple soda.
Pineapple soda. New. Yep. What you leaning against?
Yeah.
What was
Let's
it?
not talk about it.
Matt?
Schwarzkopf down.
Unbalanced.
No balance, so.
No balance, so?
No balance, so.
The adventure continues.
Always does, every day.
What are we trying to do?
Get out of Shinjuku station again.
Here we go.
We seem to have this problem every day. I think you know what we need to do in the morning when we leave?
What? Leave breadcrumbs?
Leave breadcrumbs.
This is where Matt and I almost got crushed by a bus.
After Toba. It's called Korakuen.
Togo again or Dulacqua? Do we have enough time?
I don't think we're gonna have enough time to do Tobu because we got a late start.
Okay. I think he's a major keeper.
What are we doing out in front of Mossburger?
Jim wanted a piece of moss on his burger. And
we're ready to go.
yeah, McDonald's is so much more efficient.
Okay, guys, what town are we in?
Ashioji.
Nashioji? Ashi?
Ashi.
Game Center. Nikki Masho.
This whole bus is packed. Packed.
Except
No seats to be found except next to Jim. People are standing, but they don't want to.
Jim gets no love.
This bus doesn't end, and I got the girl who doesn't shut the hell up right behind me.
Now she's not talking.
I know, now she's quiet because she probably understands English, and they're all telling her to shut the hell up. Wait, she's gonna get going. Oh, here she goes.
But yeah,
How was the park?
It was so fun.
What did you like best about it?
The entranceway, it was really like warm and it was air conditioned, but it felt like it was like I was in Hawaii. The music, it felt really submerged.
The waves.
Oh, the waves! I could see through the glass wall. It was just a great I mean, look the rides I got. Another Super Viking. I ride those all the time. I mean, Hayabusa.
I'm kind of glad we didn't really see it. Because if we saw it, we might be sad.
Yeah. It was closed. And I'm not paying $45 to go on a Tacoma corkscrew.
Jim would.
No, I don't think I would.
It's not where we're going.
Now we're going to another park.
Okay, damn. Okay. What's up, guys?
We got
A
off.
long morning.
Yeah, it's been a long day. Save you in.
Okay, just for the record, Matt, no offense to you, dude, but can we have Jim lead the way? Maybe he can find it because... No, I mean, seriously, please don't take offense to it. Jim has not had luck in the past, but let's give him a shot.
I think right here, I'm going with this one.
I don't know, Jim.
Cebuenyanchi.
It just hurt. The harness just kept on coming down on me.
Bumpy.
Tighter and tighter. And then you do an airtime hill and you think you're just gonna coast over this hill. All of a sudden it changes directions on you and you go right into a corkscrew.
Violent one.
We looped and we got screwed. Interesting inversions. Nice little airtime hills.
Yes.
Good little twist on a corkscrew.
Powered kiddie coaster. Why don't you ride it with me, Jim? No. My powered kiddie.
Watch carefully as Matt hands his ticket over in shame. And there he goes. Okay, what are we in line for finally?
The shuttle loop at Toshiman?
That was closed yesterday.
Where are we?
Where are we? We don't know where we're at.
You know, big tough guy?
I do when there's a freaking Inman sitting in front of my goddamn face.
it go?
What do you mean where'd it go?
Oh,
Didn't
no,
go
it took off
anywhere.
Too fast. I couldn't. Oh my God! Did you see that? It was flying super fast.
Look at this. Check out Tokyo and the Tokyo Dome where there's a game going on.
Us three?
Together.
Alright.
Oh, okay. Let's go with you?
He wants all of me.
Really? Alrighty.
12.
No.
Well,
The day I was not looking forward to.
Why?
September 11th.
oh, it is. You know, in a way though, Matt,
What?
it's kind of good that we're over here. Because,
Don't worry about it getting it.
well, because if we were at home, we'd be watching TV and being all depressed.
I'm sure we have TV today.
You're supposed to have fun, not be sad.
Hey, that's exactly what I'm using this vacation for.
I wear this every year for 4 years now. 5 years.
Does that got your buddy's name on it?
No. It's just from his flight.
Oh, he was on a flight.
Yeah. He was one of the heroes.
こちらが便利です。メリンガをご利用のお客様にお願いします。折りたたむようにご協力お願いし
The land of Italy.
ます。
Meow meow. Here we go, meow.
Meow? Me and Jim were meowing, taking the train meow the other day, and we rode the meow roller coaster. And
Whoa, shit. Rule number 1, don't lean against the sliding doors.
Rule number 2. Don't lean against sliding doors.
Yeah. What do you think of Thunder Dolphin?
it was okay. It was good.
Night better.
Night was better.
Top was really fun.
Yeah, do the movement of the top.
お降りの際はお足元にご注意ください。次は進行します。
But that last drop.
We're talking metal here.
Yeah. I told you the style is